we go. Smile. I'm going to take your picture here too. If I can hold still. Smile, Grandma. Alright. Wait, get back over there. I want you to be by him. Lean down there by Grandma so I can get you guys together. Now look at Grandma and smile so I can get your picture. Can you look at Chandler? Look at Chandler there. Do you remember Chandler? Yeah? Are you having a good day? Yeah? As good as it can be laying here, huh? Your lip gloss looks so pretty. Let me zoom in on it. Your pink lip gloss. Can you scoot over, Chan? Or sit down or something? I want to ask Grandma something. Who's in that picture on the wall over there? Who is that lady? She look familiar? Who is it? Me. Yeah. Who's the man? Bill. That's right. Who's Bill? My husband. That's right. You know who he is to me? No, my grandpa. Oh, grandpa. You're my grandma. Yep. Remember when I was little, I lived at your house? Me and Shayla? Yeah. You used to make us pancakes every day? Yep. Or biscuits and gravy? Mmm. You made the best homemade biscuits. And the best homemade pancakes. And nobody can make them like you did. Yep. Are you getting tired? Or are you thinking? You're getting tired? Okay. I'll turn this off and turn that light off then, okay?